Creating prayers videos like this right now is very easy and is getting so interested. A lot of people want to create prayers videos like this, but they don't know how to do it. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to create prayer videos like this that can be monetized on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. In fact, any social media platform, you can upload this type of video and it's going to be monetized. Let me play the video for you guys so that you guys are going to see the video.
Heavenly Father, I come before you this morning with a heavy heart but a willing spirit. As the sun rises...
Now you guys are seeing the video. Why this type of video can be monetized is because it's been animated, everything is done perfectly. You see those type of prayer videos that some people make by putting an image standing like this only, or a waterfall image, just to create those type of videos. Those type of videos are not monetized here on YouTube or other social media platform because it's just an static image and it's not making sense. People don't really like it like that. But this type of video that you just watch right now, that is being animated, as you can see, it demonstrates how things are being done. In fact, it's being animated and it's being monetizable across all social media platforms. So without wasting much of your time, let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you how you are going to do it with your smartphone. You don't need laptop to do this. You can use your smartphone to create something amazing like this. And without wasting much of your time, let's go dive into it. But before that, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please, I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel right now so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let's get started. So we'll be using Google Gemini to do this. Now, to get started on Google Gemini, if you don't have Google Gemini on your phone, you download it on your phone. Just go to Google Play Store or your Apple Store and you download the app. Now, on Google Gemini, this is what I will do. I will say, give me a prayer. No, let me say, give me a powerful morning prayer. Prayer for And now this is what Google Gemini gave to us. As you can see, here is a powerful morning prayer for strength and peaceful. So this is the morning prayer. So as you can see, everything here. So the next thing we are going to do is to copy this prayer. We copy everything from beginning like this. We copy everything. Let's just copy from Heavenly Father. We copy everything like this to the end. You can decide to tell him to give you 20 prayers, 50 prayers, any prayer you want, any amount of prayer you want. You can decide to tell him to give you, so you are going to get everything. Now, after you copy your prayer, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to 11 Lab. You can just head over to 11 Lab. You can go to your browser. You can go to your Google Chrome or any browser you are using and you search for 11 Lab like this. As you can see, this first one, you tap on it. And when you tap on it, it's going to bring you to an interface like this and it will ask you to start creating. So if you have not registered an account before, all you just have to do is just to click on sign up here. So when you click on sign up, it will ask you to paste your prompt. So what you just copy right now, what you copy right now on Google Gemini, you paste everything here. You paste it here. And after you paste everything, the next thing you are going to do, you select your voice here, your voice. So it's going to bring you to an interface like this. You can select, maybe right now I want to use for female. Let me select female. So when you select female, it's going to give you different type of voice, as you can see. So I'm going to use this Maria here. You can choose any voice. You can choose any voice you like. You just listen to the voice and you choose anyone. So I will be using this Maria here. When I tap on this Maria, it's going to use this voice. Now it's selecting the voice. Let's give it some minutes. Now, after selecting a voice, the next thing you are going to see, as you can see, generate here. You click on generate. And after you click on generate, in less than 1 minute, it's going to generate the voiceover for you. And all you need to do is to download it. Or you can also decide to listen to it. Now, let's click on play.
Heavenly Father, I come before you this...
No, let's just download it. I don't want to waste much of your time. Let's click on download here. Now it's downloading. As you can see, it has successfully downloaded to our phone. Now the next thing we are going to do is to head over to Google Gemini again. Let's go back to Google Gemini. This is Google Gemini again. Now this time I will write to Google Gemini. I will say generate a female, because I use female voice. That is why I'm generating female character that match the prayer and make the environment. I want it to be something environment and location, a church. Let's put the image aspect ratio 9.16 because I want to use it for TikTok and Facebook. That is why I put it on 9.16. Or if you want to use it for YouTube short, you put it from 9.16. But if you want to use it for long video on YouTube, you can put it on 16.9. Now the next thing we are going to do is to click on generate. Now we want to generate our character. That is our image, so that it will match the story, and I'm going to show you how you are going to animate it, add your voiceover, and it's going to look perfectly match. So let's wait for it to generate our image for us. Just the way I said at the beginning of this video, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to this YouTube channel. And after the end of this video, if you do not understand and you want me to teach you one-on-one class on how you can get everything done right, then you can check my bio or you check the description of this video. You are going to see my link. Just comment I'm interested, and I'm going to send you my phone number so that you can contact me and we'll chat on WhatsApp, and I'm going to teach you how you are going to do it one-on-one class. So now let's save our video. This is our image. Let's click on save, and after we save our image, the next thing we are going to do is to head over to this AI tool. Wait, before we continue with our video, have you subscribed to this YouTube channel? If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button right now so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Support this channel by subscribing, like, and also share this video. Now let's continue with our video. Now after getting our image and saving the image to our phone, the next thing I'm going to do is to tell Gemini again. I said, now give me a simple prompt for the image to video prompt to make it look professional. Now as you can see, I cannot generate that video for you today. I say I just need the prompt. Now it generates the prompt for me. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to copy this prompt. After copying this prompt, then the next thing I'm going to do is to go to Allo AI. You can use any AI of your choice. You can use Google Gemini, you can use Allo AI, you can use Meta AI, any AI of your choice. You can use it to animate your image. You can use any AI you want. You can use Grok AI, VO3, any AI. But I'll be using Allo AI. Then the next thing I'm going to click on image to video. Now after I click on image to video, I'll click on upload. So I'll upload my image. Now this is my image here. Then I'll paste the prompt here. Now after pasting the prompt, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on generate. So when I click on generate, I just have to give it some minutes, and it's going to animate and generate my image to video for me. So you follow this method. You can use any AI tool of your choice to do it. And if you also find it difficult to do and you want one-on-one class, you can chat me on WhatsApp, and I'm going to teach you one-on-one class how you can be doing something like this and be posting on your YouTube, your Facebook, and TikTok, and you get monetized, and you are going to be earning from it. So if you want one-on-one class, you can chat me up. Check my bio. If you are watching from Facebook, you can check my bio, and you are going to see my WhatsApp number. And if you are watching from YouTube, you can check my YouTube description of this video, and you are going to see my information. You chat me up, and I'm going to teach you how you're also going to do it. So let's wait for the result to be complete. Now as you can see, it's generating it for us already. AI app, it is called Dreamface. Like this, as you can see, create effective and AI videos. So we are going to use this AI. Then the next thing, you go back, click on back here so that you can register your account. So if you have not registered a new account before, it will show you something like this. To register a new account, then you select English, you click on English. Now you are going to see talking and singing, image to video, and all these generate images. Now the next thing you are going to do is to click on talking slash singing. As you can see, talking slash singing, you click on it. It will bring you to an interface like this where it will ask you to upload your avatar. Now the next thing you are going to do is to click on this plus icon. Now you are going to upload that video. That video is just download right now from that animated video. You upload the video, and after you upload the video, the next thing you are going to do is to click on this want avatar to say or sing. You click on it. Now you click on import here and you click on file. So you are going to upload that audio you just download from 11 Labs. The audio you just generated, that voiceover, you upload it. Now when you upload it, you click on confirm up here. You can decide to increase this to 1 minute, 30 minutes. You can decide to increase it. Then the next thing you are going to do is to click on confirm up here. Now after you click on confirm, just give it some minutes and you are going to see something like this. And the next thing you are going to do is to click on animate here. As you can see, you click on animate, and after you click on it, it will generate your video for you. And you are going to get your result like this. As you can see, just like this one that is here right now. You are going to get your perfect result like this. And the next thing you are going to do is to download the video and you save it to your phone. Now, after you save it to your phone, that is it. You can decide to now upload it, or you can take it to CapCut and you do some editing, add subtitle, add auto caption, and after that your video is ready for you to post on any of your social media account like your Facebook, your TikTok, or your YouTube. But if you want me to make a video on how you can use it, how you can upload your video, or how you can edit your video so that it will look very nice on CapCut, tell me in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to make a full video and show you guys how you can do that using CapCut on your phone and edit your video, and it will sound so nice. And the best way, you are also going to post your video on TikTok or Facebook or YouTube to get more views. If you want one-on-one class, just the way I said at the beginning of this video, you want me to make a one-on-one class for you and show you guys how you can create AI videos or any type of AI videos or this type of video, you can check my comment section or my bio or the description of this video, and you are going to see my number. You chat me and I'm going to take you one-on-one class. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.